In this video, I'll give a brief overview of the Coaching tab within Grain. From the Meetings page, select Coaching in the left sidebar to pull up the Coaching page. Coaching will generate a list on the left of all of the meetings in which the Grain AI has picked up that it is a sales call and has provided a coaching scorecard. When you select a specific meeting, it will pull up that meeting on the right-hand side with video playback and a number of different summaries that we can look at. The overview will tell you about the meeting outcome and any specific coaching opportunities that might have arisen. Moving on to the scorecard tab, you can see the AI generated scorecard, which will generate a score out of 5 on a number of different areas like customer qualification, if they figured out what the customer was looking for, if they were able to demonstrate the value of the product that they were selling, how they closed, etc. You can also choose to add a personalized scorecard here where you score based on your own different questions and answers, which can be yes, no, or again on a 1 to 5 scale. And if you want to manage scorecards and add new scorecards, you can click Manage Scorecards there or come to Scorecards within the left-hand side of the Workspace tab. And this is where you can create a new scorecard with a name, a description, and you can add the questions and change whether or not you want them on a 1 to 5 scale or a yes-no rating. Coming back to the Coaching tab and moving on to the Metrics section. This will show you different metrics about how many filler words were used, how much speaking between the different participants was split up, what the longest monologue was, etc. This is a great way to see where there might be opportunities for improvement within the sales call. And finally, there's a Comments tab where you can come see any comments that people have left within this meeting. Coaching is a great way to understand how your team is using Grain, how you are using Grain, and it helps individuals improve their abilities within your organization.